just got off the phone with Hillary and I wiped her using the baby wipes. She was so happy when I removed the t-shirt. Just washed the t-shirt. Hillary said that I don't have to go. She woke up this morning and she said it was like a miracle. I think it took time for her phone to clear the storage, clear the bin. Must have been a lot of videos and photos there. And with that settled, she was so grateful. How many times she thanked me. It's a big thing, I know because I've had that problem. I think I've mentioned also before, right? About storage, unable to record. So I totally understand. Wait, let me put her down. So, change of plans. We won't have to go. Hillary said that they'll be meeting the Puma. No, the radiologist later this afternoon. And they also have to go and get a dry electric shaver for Rumi. He can't apply soap and all that to his neck anymore when he shaves. Talk about life-changing. But she said, and she woke up and she just had a feeling to leave her phone on last night while charging. And it must have taken like my phone, it clears immediately. Her phone, it must take time. So morning by morning, it was 80 something last night. Morning she got up, she said it was 33. And by the time she called me, it was 30. So, you look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Why? Must go to the pet shop. Must go to the pet shop. You jump up and then you want to jump back down. You make my heart jump. Wait. She's settled. Ay. Okay, I'm going to go and have a second coffee / refill. We don't have to leave our princess. Hillary is happy. What better way to start the day? She's so thankful. She said tomorrow when Daniel, the computer guy, when he goes, he's supposed to go and help her with this thing. But she said he's tried helping her twice before it didn't work. So she said now she will teach him how to do it. She sends her love. Said to continue to pray for them. She said Rumi is taking it much easier than she is, so strong. He's being strong for the both of them. Okay, I stop first, Go and wash her t-shirt. And there she goes.